front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down, tap on Biometrics and select Face Recognition. Now you need to enter your current login method. Read all of those instructions and disclaimers. Click on Continue at the bottom, keep your face in frame, and follow all of these steps presented on your screen. You can even click on Add Alternative Appearance to enhance recognition and add your face again. Then manage all of those options however you wish to. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. Icons that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!